First of all, can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Kiran Muhammad.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kashmir, Pakistan, but born here in U.S. in
Born
Brooklyn.
in-
Yes,
Okay.
from New
It
York.
was your first time in the concert?
It's my first time seeing Atif Aslam live. He's very good. Yes, he's
okay.
a great performer. He's very nice to his fans, and he came out. He greeted everybody. He was very nice.
How was the concert today?
It was very fun. We enjoyed ourselves.
That's cool. Which one is your favorite song from Atif Aslam?
Wo Lamhe, very
Wow,
good.
That's one of the famous
Yeah,
songs.
yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions about Atif Aslam. Do you know his date of birth?
No, I don't. I
Oh,
don't.
It's okay, it's okay. Do you know which city he was born in?
I don't actually know.
I can give you a hint. It's in Punjab.
Punjab? No.
Close to Lahore.
Close to Lahore? No, I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. That's
I'm
fine.
not too familiar with the cities in Pakistan too much.
Yeah,
so,
yeah, I understand. Yeah, because you were born here, so
Yeah.
that's fine. But do you know his wife's name?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay, that's okay. That's
Yeah.
okay. One last thing I want to ask: can you sing his one song, any few lines?
I can't sing. No, I'm
Anyone,
sorry.
any two lines,
No,
one
I
hit.
can't. I'm not a singer. Sorry
Oh, okay,
about
that's
that.
okay. That's
Yeah.
okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good
you
night.
so much. You too. Good night.